In the year's highest-profile executive shuffle in commercial real estate services, Mitch Rudin is replacing Michael Colacino as president of tenant-rep giant Savills Studley, a position that Colacino held for 16 years. The C-suite switch, which was not expected, was revealed to Savills Studley staff in a memo Monday afternoon. Both men are among the industry's best-regarded deal-makers and executives. Rudin was known to be hungry for a new job after he left his former firm, New Jersey-based Mack-Cali, this past spring, but Colacino's exit from Savills Studley came as a surprise. At Mack-Cali, Rudin was credited with dramatically growing the publicly traded REIT's portfolio. Before that, as CEO-president of Brookfield Office Properties US commercial operations, he oversaw the transformation of the Old World Financial Center complex into today's sparkling Brookfield Place. Rudin, 65, will be running Savills Studley's day-to-day operations on January 1st. He was vice chairman of Mack-Cali until June, but wasn't happy after losing the CEO title in 2017 to Michael DeMarco, a demotion. Rudin's total compensation at Mack-Cali was $2.28 million for 2017, according to company proxy statements. I am confident that in Mitch Rudin we have found the best possible candidate to replace Michael as president, Savills Studley CEO Mitchell Steir said. He praised his friend Colacino's contribution. He's been by my side for nearly 3 decades and has been a fantastic partner, Steir said. Savills Studley is part of London-headquartered Savills plc, which swallowed up venerable New York firm Studley in 2014 for $260 million. Steir and Colacino drove the merger, which gave their new parent company a wider global reach. It now has 600 global offices and 36,000 employees, but its heart is the powerful New York office.